Today, we are going to talk about roller compaction, an efficient process to support tablet manufacturing. Tablets are widely used as a safe and effective method for delivering medications orally. They are created by compressing powdered substances into solid, hard, and smooth forms. During tablet manufacturing, the powder blend is compressed between two punches in a tablet press. Before that, the powder blend needs to be filled into the compression chamber, where the flowability of the mixture is crucial for precise dosing. To ensure high-quality tablets, maintaining consistent weight, hardness, and blend uniformity is vital. Variations in powder filling can lead to weight inconsistencies, differences in tablet hardness, or segregation of powder components. Dry granulation, also known as roller compaction, enhances the flowability of the powder mixture. It increases the bulk density and enlarges the particle size, improving the overall flowability. Gerteis roller compactors have been specifically designed for pharmaceutical applications, guaranteeing exceptional performance and reliability. In Gerteis machines, the prepared powder mixture is precisely dosed between two counter-rotating press rolls, using a special designed conveying system. The compression force and the thickness of the resulting powder ribbon can be precisely controlled, even for challenging products. The next step is milling, which breaks down the powder into granules with a coarser particle distribution. This transformation significantly improves the flowability of the powder mixture. The main control parameters for roller compaction are the compression force between the press rolls, the thickness of the powder ribbon, and the size of the opening in the sieve used. Dry granulation with Gerteis roller compactor is an outstanding method for granule production. It eliminates the need for solvents or liquids, resulting in significantly reduced energy consumption compared to other technologies. Everyday Gerteis machines support the production of vital medications worldwide, enabling environmentally friendly, economically viable, and efficient tablet production.